Imagine Samsung quietly working on a phone so different that it almost slipped out of the rumor cycle entirely. And then, suddenly, it's back. No flashy teasers, no official hints, just a low-key database entry that might have given the whole thing away. According to a fresh update from SmartPre, Samsung's rumored wide Galaxy Z Fold 8 has popped up again, this time hiding in the GSMA IMEI database. And while the listing itself doesn't spell out much, the implications are pretty interesting. The device shows up under multiple model numbers that seem to be heading to China, Korea, the US, Canada, and even global markets. That alone suggests this isn't some experimental one-off. Samsung looks serious about it. What really ties this together is the model number pattern. Variants of SM-F971 show up in the database, which lines up perfectly with earlier leaks tied to this so-called wide fold. This isn't even the first time it's happened either. Late last year, the same model number surfaced, kicking off speculation that Samsung was working on a second fold alongside the main one. The big idea here is the display. Instead of going taller like most foldables, this one is rumored to go wider. Think closer to an 18:18 aspect ratio on the inside. That would mean a display that feels more like a compact tablet when unfolded, with more horizontal space for multitasking, videos, and productivity, rather than just stretching things vertically. If that sounds familiar, it's because this kind of design would also conveniently line up with rumors that Apple is exploring foldables of its own. And if all of this turns out to be true, Samsung's summer lineup could be stacked. We're talking Galaxy Z Flip 8, the regular Galaxy Z Fold 8, and then this new wide Fold 8 sitting alongside them as a third option. Personally, I find the timing really interesting. Not long ago, there were reports saying Samsung wants to lean more heavily into the Fold lineup, even increasing production compared to the Flip. The Fold 7 did surprisingly well, and honestly, I get it. That phone was tempting. I was genuinely torn between it and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which isn't something I say lightly. Samsung made some smart upgrades there, and if more people are starting to gravitate toward big screen devices, a wider fold suddenly makes a lot of sense. So yeah, this wide fold might have disappeared for a bit, but it doesn't feel forgotten anymore. If Samsung really is cooking up something different this year, this could be one of the more exciting foldable launches we've seen in a while. But what do you think? Is a wider Galaxy Z Fold something you'd actually want, or is Samsung just overcomplicating things? Let me know your thoughts down below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.